Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your images or video or your project on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to select what you want to add music to. Let's assume you want to add a music. You know that once you add music or audio to your file, you're automatically converting it to a video file. So let me say we want to add music to this particular image I worked on recently. You can click on upload and click on upload files, then select the music of your choice. Let me choose this and click here. Then once the audio has been properly uploaded, we can just click on the add now. Okay, just take it here. To add music, drop or drag a music to the timeline. So just do that, and then we've successfully added our music. So we can now go on to edit it and cut out the parts that we do not want. You can also zoom in or zoom out, and you can also click on the music to know where to expand it and understand it better. Okay, this is even the first 10 seconds. Good, yes, because 5 seconds for each of the slides, for each of this slide. So we can also fade it. We can increase the volume. This is on 100. We can increase it to 400. We can fade it. We can ensure beat sync, or we can even enhance voice, although this is available for only premium users. We can also adjust it here to suit our video or project. So this is how to add music to your file or project on Canva. If this video has been helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more contents like this. Thank you guys, and do have a great day.